Hi, welcome to the Rewist channel. Today we are going to learn together how to install the Mendeley software. So first of all, you need to know that it's preferable to use Google browser than others. Use Google browser. So the steps are easy to install Mendeley software. First of all, you create an account like you used to create an account on Facebook or Pinterest or whatever. You create an account, and after creating that account, you will have to download the software on your computer. So you download the software on your computer, and after downloading the software, you install it. So this software works in two platforms. So Mendeley have a cloud's storage memory where you are doing research. Mendeley catch all those research in the cloud. But on behalf of that, Mendeley, you have to install the software. When you install the software, when you are doing your research, when you are doing research on your computer, you normally have to store those research on your computer. Okay. And you will have to sometimes synchronize your software, your base software installed on the computer to the cloud storage on the Mendeley's platform. So anyway, that's the first part. The second part, after installing the Mendeley software, you will have to install some add-ons for Word, because you need add-ons for Word and add-ons for a Google browser. So you will install the add-ons for the Google browser, which this add-on will permit you to easily catch or save your research. And after that, you will install another add-ons for your Microsoft Word. Okay, so that's two add-ons. You install Mendeley first, and after that, the add-ons for the web browser, and the other add-ons is for the Microsoft Word. When you finish that, anything is okay. All you have to do is save your research, synchronize your database, your desktop database to the clouds of Mendeley. I hope we are going to enjoy well. So now I'm just going to Google, like Google, and just type Mendeley, Mendeley, Mendeley.com. Let's go. Okay. Normally, I'm now on Mendeley. As you can see, Mendeley desktop. You get a event manager, something like that. I click on the Mendeley, and I got this panel. This panel, we have to choose the red one, not the blue one. If you choose the blue one, you will have to you will install Mendeley for the cloud, Office cloud, or for this Office 365 cloud. But first, don't forget that we have told that we have to create an account. Now let's create an account. To create an account is easier. We just go I just remove that account because okay. We just go to the sign in. Okay. Just click on create a free account. Then sign a different user because this computer has another person who uses it. Okay, so you create your account easily. You click on continue. So after that, they will send me an email, a confirmation emails, just to confirm that this is me, it's not a robot. Okay, I have to give my name, to put my name, and put a password. Okay, at this point, anything is easier, anything is okay, no problem for that. Okay, I create the account. You know, Elsevier Identity is the company who base or the base company of the Mendeley. So we have to mention that you're not going to see Mendeley.com emails, but Elsevier emails. Interesting. And then I put my name, okay, and something else just to remember. It's not necessary to put all the stuff, all the things anyway. Okay, then I put the password. Okay, you can put a strong or a fair password, that depends. Okay, now I click on register. Easier as Google, as Pinterest, as Instagram. Anyway, like a social media, create your account. Now I receive an email on my email. I receive a confirmation email. So I have to go to that confirmation email to confirm that. Okay. Then I put okay. So what you have to be clear that it's easier, very easy to create your account. No problem for that. Sometimes when you see that when you just create your account, it can take a little bit of time for the account to be on the website. I do experience this kind of problem sometimes, but it's not a big problem because you have to remind your password. Okay. Now, as you see, I receive the Mendeley account. I confirm my account, and then anything is okay. Next, the next steps. What is the next steps? I have to click on the download Mendeley reference manager. Download Mendeley reference manager. This is the next steps. After creating the account, I click on the download Mendeley reference. Okay, and we have to click on the file, download the file, and open it easily. And now, what will happen? As other kind of software, so easy to set up. So now, don't forget the steps. So you have to create first an account on the Mendeley. So you won't have to have one account for everyone. Your account is your account. It's personal. Unless you want to use it for the whole collections, I don't know, because you will have the possibility to create collection inside some folders in a software. So it's yes. Once you terminate, you just click on finish and one Mendeley desktop because you need to one just to see. Okay, now the Mendeley desktop will appear in a Windows, and you will see. Okay, let's open. Really, yes. This Windows with tools, with the panels, with the button, okay, option buttons. Okay, we're now going to the tools to catch the source. I click to get the web importer. Once I click, let's see, I click on add to the Chrome and add extension, and that's it. And that's it. I will have my extension installed in the right corner, the top right corner. That's it. So sometimes you can try to find the extension and don't see it. You have to use hotkey, Control, Maj, and L. Otherwise, you have to click on the extension logo. Just click on the extension logo and pin it. You pin it on the tab, on the search tab, and you have no problem. Just pin it. Okay. Yes. At this point, you're good. You are continuously making good. Let's continue now. We go to the tools again, but we are going to take Word, the Word, Microsoft Word plugin. We have to close some files, some old files we had open. We have to close all Word files open. Okay, that's very important. And after that, and click on the install a Microsoft Word plugin. Microsoft Word plugin, and that's it. Okay. Oh, I'm already done installing. Okay, now I'm going to open the Microsoft software, Microsoft Word software. So anyway, I just click on Microsoft Word and I'm waiting time. Oh no, time to go. Yes. Okay. Okay. You don't have to have this warning message. It's not necessary. That depends of your Microsoft Word. Okay. When I go to the reference. Go to the reference first because it is the concern reference. Okay. Once I click, you see, I got the logo of Mendeley there and there. That means that I'm okay. Anything is okay. Mendeley is well installed. Mendeley is very well installed. No problem for that. Nothing else to do. Now we are finished to install the Mendeley software. Thank you for watching. To the next video, we will use the Mendeley software. Subscribe, comment, share, and click on the notification button in order to be informed when new video how it is. Very important.